Do you know what the germiest area in your bathroom is? Nope, not that. Nope, not that. Nope. It's your toothbrush holder. The tools you're gonna need are an extra toothbrush and not your husband's. Mild cleaner, microfiber cloth, alcohol, the cleaning kind, not the drinking kind. You're gonna take apart and spray inside and outside with a mild cleaner and hot water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Scrub and then wipe down with a microfiber to dry it. Do this every time you clean the bathroom, which should be around weekly. Make sure not to neglect your electric toothbrushes. Remove the head and clean underneath as well as the base. You'll be surprised how quickly the gunk builds up. To sanitize it, rub with alcohol, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then rinse. Remember to replace your toothbrush every 3 months. If you need to clean your toothbrush, soak it in hydrogen peroxide for 5 minutes and then rinse. Never ever leave your toothbrush in the shower. The humidity and the moisture is a breeding ground for bacteria. Need I say more?